Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to turn on speaking keyboard input allowed in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on keyboard speech, we have to go to settings first, then we're looking for accessibility options here, and here we have spoken assistance. And at the top we have speak keyboard input allowed. So when we check this box, we can also customize characters, and word. Right off now, let's leave it as characters. So let's test it. Let's start a new message. Yes.
KOOL8 9.
As you can see, works as intended. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.